What's up everyone? Thanks for tuning in. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be installing DressUpBolts titanium valve cover hardware kit for an Evo 10. DressUpBolts is well known for their high quality titanium hardware. They have quite a few nice selections such as this true burn finish that I have. They're light, they're strong, and they're anti-corrosive. Take a look at this OEM bolt that came from my valve cover. As you can see, it's corroded. With the titanium hardware, you don't have to worry about that. And just appreciate how much better looking that looks. It's a small detail that's going to make a huge difference in appearance. And that's what DressUpBolts is all about. The install is going to be pretty straightforward, so let's go ahead and get this started. Okay, so when you get the hardware kit, DressUpBolts is awesome and kind to give you a sheet of where the bolts go. For the most part, this should be pretty straightforward for you guys to do. You would just take off one bolt at a time and then just replace it with the dub hardware. For me, I had to remove the valve cover the other day because I actually had one of these bolts break in half into the head, so I had to extract this. I want to thank my buddy Kai. I'll link his Instagram. He helped me extract this bolt. I've never done it before, so I didn't feel confident, but he helped me out. Thank you, buddy. I greatly appreciate it. Let's go ahead and open this kit up. And let's get this hardware installed. Since I had to take off all the hardware, I need to make sure I tighten all my valve cover bolts in this sequence. Do a little comparison. So much better. It's a million times better. I double check for leaks. I don't feel or see anything. Over the next couple days as I drive the car, I'll double check, make sure the bolts aren't backing out or making sure there's no leaks around the valve cover. Other than that, everything seems all good. Again, this hardware looks absolutely amazing. So my car is flooded with DressUpBolts titanium hardware. Let me show you guys where else I have them at. Alright, so I got them on the Vars hood, on the strut bar, firewall heat shield, around the power steering reservoir, on the Vars fenders, catch can, and the radiator support, and front bumper. And then the intake bracket for the ECU. Here in the fuse panel. And on the exterior of the car, I also have it exposed on this line. On the front bumper. The front diffuser. I also have them on the Aero Catch hood pins for the Mars hood. That's the valve stem cap. Got them on the rear fenders. Got them on the wing. Also got them on the Mars rear diffuser. And I also got him on the license plate frame. Got them on the quick release steering wheel. And we have them on the turn signal extension. DressUpBolts doesn't just make kits for the Evo 10, they also have a wide variety for different makes and models. You can also order the bolts individually through the washers, getting your correct thread pitch, the bolts, the nuts, whether it's for your wide body kit, your wheels, your steering wheel, your hood, your engine bay, whatever you need, they got you covered. If you guys are interested in ordering the high quality titanium hardware from DressUpBolts, you can use my promo code REGWASLIKE to save money on your order. That's all I got for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please make sure you guys are not skipping out on the small details that make a huge difference in appearance.